How to fix Samsung Health app not working. Hello and welcome everyone, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your application is not working, start off by press and hold your application and head over to App Info. Select on the permission button. Make sure that you have permitted the body sensors option. Also, the physical activity. Allow every other permission that the application asks for. Once you do this, tap on Force Stop, head over to Storage and Cache, and clear the cache. This is to solve any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing the problem. If that's not the case, then check for the Wi-Fi connection. Sometimes when your Wi-Fi is not working out, it might cause such issue as well. If that's not the case, open up your phone settings. In your settings, navigate to System Update. Make sure that your system is up to date so that it can support the version of the application. Last but not the least, open up your Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, search for Samsung Health. Make sure that you have updated your application, or if there is any of the update available, leave your application for an update. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.